Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, now today we will discuss the next chapter, that working with tables. So earlier in last chapter we had done about the Microsoft Access, that what is it and why we are creating the tables. So here first we will write here. So what are the steps? We will go to the start option and we will choose Microsoft Access. This one appear, so we will choose a blank database and click on the create option. This one should be created. So students, so first we will discuss, we are having different types of data types. So first I will tell you about we are having two views in a table. Two views in a table we are having. So now this, first what we will do, how we can see that two views? First we have to click on it. There are two views, datasheet view and design view. So first we will click on the design view. Design matlab apne table nu design karna. So it is table 1. I had designed it. So here, there in this, you can design your own table by yourself. So first, let me tell you, here is written ID, and here you can see this option. This one shows the primary key, मतलब इत्थे की लगी हुई है primary key. You can see this is already selected. So now in the next one I have written name. So here data type. Okay, here name. बच्चे what is the meaning of data type? मतलब data, ਤੁਸੀਂ data type मतलब ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ data ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆ text ਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ data ABC ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ, your data is in a mathematical form, your data is in a date or time form, your data is in a any image form, कोई image use कर रहे हो, your data should be in yes or no form. That is different data type. हर एक कैटेगरी ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਡੇਟਾ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਨੇਮ obviously name is a text. name text ਹੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, ABC ਹੀ ਹੋਊਗਾ. So next is, if we will write here roll number. So in next one, roll number should not be text. Text नहीं हो सकते roll number. Roll number ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ? Roll number must be a number. Clear? The next one is, if we will ask from the students that address. Address should be in a number. Numbers ਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. Address ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ number, it should be in a number and it should be in a words. In anything it should be ਨਾ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ number ਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਆ, ਕਿਸੇ ਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ. So we will select here memo. So the next one is father name. Father name should also be text. The next one is date of birth. It should be in a text. Date of birth text जो लिखेंगे? No, we will choose a date and time. So we will write here fees. Fees किहदे विच हो सकदी है? It should be in a currency. Currency. So here different types of things are there. So here you can see one more thing. These are the data types. In these data types I will tell you auto number. ID is a auto number. ठीक है? Yes or no, मतलब whenever we are asking, if we are here disability, any student is having any disability, so we will, what we will write? We will choose a yes and no option. Anything should be there. So now, so you can also see here attachment. Attachment matlab just like whenever we are sending any message to anyone else. ठीक है, what we will do over there, जब आप किसी ने मैसेज सेंड करते हैं WhatsApp पे, if we want to send any photograph, we will choose the attachment option. So as same here, if we will write here certificate, so here I will select the attachment option because certificate student have to upload. So in this way you can create your own data, own table. In this way you can create it. You have to select the different things, you different options, different data types with a different field name. So after doing this, what is your next step? You have to click on the, you can see downside also, you can see these one are the different options that should be available. Name, roll number, everything is having a different things. So in this way you can create your table. So the next is, after finishing this task, you must have save the table by clicking on the save button. So from here you will click on the save button, your table will be saved. So now we have to go to the other view, that is a data sheet view. You can see whatever we had done. So whatever the field name we had given, that should be automatically appear in front of you. If, let me tell you, we had selected in a name box, first we had selected any name, Sham. This is one name, and here I have written one address. Suppose anything I have written, father's name, we have written anything, date of birth, fees, disability, yes or no. Okay, if it is no, then no select. If it is yes, then yes. Attachment, if you attach any file, you have to. So students, let me tell you one thing. If in this box, if I have written 1 2 3 and I am going to move to the next one, and here I have written English word, whenever I go to the address option, see the value you entered does not match the data type, because data type आपा केड़ी select कीती सी, we had selected the data type as a number. So as same, so here you have to change it. You have to select the enter a new value. You will change it as a 4. As same here, whenever you are moving, here you also, whenever you are writing anything, he will also show you the same message whenever. Again I will show you. Here I will write the value you enter does not match, so you will enter a new value 5 or 6. In this way you have to adjust your field with the different data type. मतलब data दे type the according you have to adjust it. So next is entering data in a table. So here you have to select your data. You have to write all the datas in it. If you want to move to the next one column, you will choose the tab option. Tab option, let me show you. I will choose on screen keyboard, and there is option. You can see here I have selected here. Whenever I click on the tab option, automatically my cursor will move to the next one. Again tab, again next. In this way you can move to the next one cursor. So next these things are there. Record narration button, these are the search box. If you want to search anything, then these are the record narration button. If you want to move to the next one, then you have to click on it. You see the changes, these are the according to the rows. So the next thing, how you can add a new record or add a new record in your table. So what you have to do, the first thing you have to click on the home tab. So whenever you're clicking on the home tab, so here you will click in the home tab in the record group. There is one record group.